This box is a real pleasure. Let's see about that. This is the August BirchBox. Let's check it out. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video I have this is the August BirchBox. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. Absolutely gorgeous colours. It just says on here as well, this box is a real pleasure. Okay, let's open it on up. If you are interested in this box, it is £12.95 per month. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box for you. If you click on that and you're buying for the first time, it gets you 30% off the cost, which is a great little saving indeed. I think you have to purchase a 3 or a 6 month one to get that 30% off, but double check. All the information is down below. So in the box we get the edit card. Again, it says the same on the front, and then we have details of the products that are actually in here, which is fab. So there is a little sneak peek for you, but let's have a little read on what this says. So it just says, hello BirchBox says, let's be honest, sexual wellness is part of everyday life and we shouldn't be embarrassed about it. However you relate to the meaning of sexual awareness, this month we want you to start the conversation and invite you to explore what it means to you. It's time for you to put taboos aside and start talking. So definitely an interesting theme. But the first product we have in the box is this. So let's have a look. This is by the brand Lapcos. This is a full-size product. It's worth £6 and it is a lifting booty mask. Ooh. Never had anything like that before in a box. That sounds amazing. And it just says, get a bum lifting confidence boost with this cheeky booty mask. Specially formulated with 17 amino acids and a patented leave-in. Deeply moisturising formula, improves skin texture and elasticity. Let this treatment make your booty visibly smoother and firmer in just 20 minutes. Yeah, cool. I'd like to say I'd do a video on it, but I don't want to get my booty out on camera, so when I get round to doing it, I'll just write a post on Instagram or something. But yeah, it's so nice to get something different in the boxes. Fabulous. But yeah, it looks amazing. The second item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Balance Me. This is not a full-size item. If you were to buy a full-size item, it would be worth £28. This is definitely not. It's only 5 mils. It just says vitamin C brightening eye serum. Add a daily dose of vitamin C to your skincare routine with this unique serum, specially formulated to combat puffy eyes, signs of fatigue and dark circles, with ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid, energizing green caffeine and calming elderflower. Visibly brighter eyes are just an application away. And so I love this brand. We get a lot of Balance Me in all of the beauty boxes that are out, quite a lot. Luckily, like I say, I like this brand and I love their vitamin C, and it's a brightening eye serum, so hopefully it'll be good. It's not going to last long with it being so small, but I'm happy with that. Third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Alikia Beauty and it's a raspberry liquid blush. Oh, fantastic. This is a full size and it's worth £12.50. This liquid blush adds a little bit of colour to your day by chiseling cheekbones and sculpting your face. The easy blendable formula has a matte finish, making it almost impossible to differentiate from your skin. Get the healthy glow locked down this summer with a simple blend of this warm blush. Oh, I love liquid blushes. I absolutely love a liquid blush. Does it have a particular shade? It just says blush liquid. It's very watery, so beware. But that's what it looks like straight out of the tube. That's really pretty. That is really pretty. very natural blush. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, I'm gonna like using that. The fourth item we have in the box is this. I'm loving the packaging, it's so cute. This is by the brand Hagens, and this is hyaluronic acid concentrate. This is not a full size. If it was, the full size would be worth £31. Add a double dose of hyaluronic acid to your morning routine with this gel serum that refines the skin texture and ensures an optimal level of hydration. Its light formula smooths sleep lines, preserves the skin's youth and protects skin from external aggressors throughout the day. Plus, one whiff of its fresh cucumber scent and those early mornings will be that much easier. Oh, cucumber scent, let's give this a go. I really like this brand. I've had a few bits from this brand now in the different beauty boxes that I get. I've just popped some there if you can see. I don't think you can, but yeah. Oh, it feels lovely. Oh yes, definitely cucumber scent. That's gorgeous. That's good. Fifth and final product we have in the box is this. It's very small. It's by the brand Polaar and it's a night revitalizing elixir. This is obviously definitely not a full size. If it was, it would be worth £36. Want to wake up feeling radiant? This illuminating elixir revitalizes your skin and boosts cellular rejuvenation, as well as reducing fine lines, wrinkles and signs of fatigue. Believe it or not, the serum's super ingredient does all the work for you when you sleep, so you don't have to worry about the fuss. I mean, great. This is sealed. Yes, it is. I'm going to keep that sealed. But guys, that is so small. I've had samples and stuff from Polaar before. Nice little brand, I must say. Very nice. But why bother putting that in? Why? I mean, look, it's tiny. Really small. Interesting. But then again, you're saying that, you might as well say the same about that as well. That's actually smaller, but yeah. So this is the August BirchBox and the edit is called "This Box is a Real Pleasure." What do you think? Personally, I'm confused. It's very nice. We've got 2 full-size products this month, a nice blush and a bum mask. Fabulous. I'm really liking the Balance Me Vitamin C Eye Serum, fantastic, but we do get that in every box. Like, that brand is in every box. Again, I love the brand, but when you get it in every box over and over again, and the other 2 products are so small. I don't mind having little travel size products, but they're tiny. I'm still like this box, I really do. This box still gets a thumbs up. But yeah, if the samples get any more smaller, we're not going to be able to see them. But yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.